puso, alam mo, hindi nagtatagal yung mga tapos na yan.
Oo, tama ka dyan.
O habang tumatagal, lumalabas din yung totoong kulay ng minahal mo.
Totoo yan. O kaya naman minsan, nakahanap ng iba. Oh, hindi lang yan. Baka naman talagang hindi lang ikaw yung para sa kanya. Sakit nun. Bakit ko ba naisip yun? Okay. Kaya para sa mga pusong nasawi, para sa mga pusong wasak na parang puso ni Nasty Mac, para sa inyo to. Let's go. Eto ka na naman, kumakatok sa aking pintuan. Muling naghahanap ng makakausap. At ewan ko nga sa'yo, parang baliwala ang puso ko. Ano nga bang meron siya nasa akin na di mo makita? Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-isa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pa humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana.
I recall you said you were there. Don't want so much more like when the time it whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart, but then you're gone and I'm so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurt and frozen. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe you'll just try that tonight, until my dream will come and touch me once again. I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart aches.
Ang sakla pa. Pero alam mo, dapat ganito yung gawin para ka maka-move on. Di ko pala na-experience, ikaw na lang.
Ay, talaga ba?
Ikaw na lang pala, pass ko na sa'yo. Paano ba mag-move on, Julie?
Iba-iba kasi tayo.
Totoo naman.
Ako kasi mabilis ako makamove on.
Kung pala sa magaling kang kumanta, magaling ka rin mag-move on.
Aha. Hindi, iba-iba tayo ng coping mechanism.
Tama.
Well, depende naman sa atin yan kung paano natin i-handle yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero, alam mo, mas maganda talaga kung ikaw yung unang magmamahal sa sarili mo ng buong buo. Para kapag dumating yung tamang tao para sa'yo, you won't make the same mistakes you did before. Kaya alam mo, hindi, kasi to. Huwag na hindi mo mawawalan ng pag-asa na umibig ulit at mag-try na umibig ulit. Ito naman, para to sa lahat ng mga pusong bumabangon.
Someday, you're gonna realize. One day, you'll see this through my eyes. But then, I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere, even if I can't. You don't really see my You think you're the last guy on earth. Well, I'm not that strong, but it won't take long. Won't take long. 'Cause someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to make me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you. Someday I know someone's gonna be there. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you. Someday.
Kailangan gumaganon yung balikat.
Grabe